everybody, and this is Vinay Jaiswal calling from Futuristic Packaging Private Limited, and it's a company based at Ahmedabad, and it's a capital of Gujarat, and it's almost 400 kilometers from Mumbai. And we are into the business for the last 20 years, and we have been supplying top 30 pharmaceutical companies in the country, and we are also exporting to 25 countries. We had global aspirations from day one start of our work, and we have been doing very good into this business. And I have got this opportunity to represent packaging industry as a whole, and I will be able to talk about first phase of talk will be from India, and then we'll be talking about the pharmaceutical industry, and then we'll be talking about the packaging industry, and then I'll go up the core of the packaging, what's happening, what's new developments happening in the country. India is growing very fast and probably much faster than anybody in the world, and it has land of great opportunities. And India has been growing massively under the guidance of our Prime Minister, who is very visionary and giving all guidances. And recently, lots of guidelines have come for the pharmaceutical industry also for the APIs, and Indian pharmaceutical companies are taking leaps and bounds for this direction. And probably India will be a very sufficient country in the next 3 years in the terms of the APIs. And we look forward for the great opportunity which is coming in this area. As well as India has been very aggressively working for the last 2 decades into the pharmaceutical industry. And Indian pharmaceutical, Indian pharmaceutical companies has been generating lots of revenue for the country. And we have a very bullish story about the Indian pharmaceutical industry from India. There is another industry, IT, and India, this pharmaceutical and IT both have been doing good. And probably I believe that over a period of time, India should emerge in the world map as the #1 player into the pharmaceutical formulations, as well as the APIs are long story to go. But I have a strong belief the kind of current scenario which is going all around the world, India will be emerging very big player in the next 5 years into the APIs also. Now I have discussed about the pharmaceutical. I'll be also representing about the Indian the Indian packaging industry. I will be more focusing about the India growing in the terms of the printed aluminum foil and the printed strip and alveolar blister market. Last 3 years, there has been witness of Eckenbach rolling mills in the country, and Eckenbach rolling mills are one of the finest and the best coming from Germany. And this India market is going to have almost 8 Eckenbach rolling mills. And through this technology-oriented products, the foil, which will be coming to our country, to the pharmaceutical industry, which will be having pinhole-free, as well as a very good quality of the shape and other things. From this, we'll be getting very good barrier property, and the hygroscopic products which were earlier produced, which were earlier packed into 40 micron foil, now probably can be packed into 30 micron aluminum foil, and the down gauging can start into the pharmaceutical industry because we will be having very good quality of foil in the industry. Apart from that, the lots of changes which is happening across the industry all around the world. The Indian companies, Indian pharmaceutical companies have also started talking about NC free inks. We have also developed this, and we have also provided all the sample solutions, and we have also started working in this direction. And probably this kind of products can be go to can go to European markets and other developed markets from India. There is another change which can happen in the industry is the water-based adhesives. Till now we have been using the ethyl-based, but we as a company have developed the water-based adhesives, and water-based adhesives can be sealing the product at a lower temperature, as well as it can seal at a lesser GSM as per the normal industry standards. The water-based adhesive will be giving much life to the product, and probably the patient gets better faster because of this new technology which can be adopted by the pharmaceutical industry. Then there are also water-based inks. Water-based inks can be non-reactive to the products, which off and on we get some kind of complaint that product is getting affected through the inks or some other chemicals. So probably India is ready, as of now we are ready with the water-based inks as well as water-based heat lacquers, which can give a better value to the product, as well as it is very environment friendly. Apart from that, the packaging industry is also facing regarding the spurious drugs, and probably on the foil we can generate the right now the holographic impact, and it cannot be copied very fast. It is a very cost-effective solution. We have also developed a very cost-effective solution while on the running the job on the machine. It is both side printed registered jobs. Both side printed registered jobs. It is one of the less cost, but we make the product very difficult to be copied by the others. This we have also got. Then the third one we can talk about UV inks. There are many things like for the spurious drugs, but once we bring the practicality of the product, then it has to be affordable also, and it has to be it can be supplied by many other players also. So we have got three solutions for the pharmaceutical. One is the holographic work on the foil, which will be difficult to be copied by the others, and that is the both side registered jobs. On running the job, we can make the printing very difficult, like same copy at the back side, which will be very difficult by the other players to be copied. And the UV inks, like once you can print, but once you can see once you apply a different kind of light. So this is also solution available for India as well as the world market to counter the spurious drugs. Apart from that, there are many other solutions coming to the pharmaceutical industry in the terms of the printing. India has been mainly driven by the gravure printing. As of now, the flexible flexo printing has also come. Apart from that, digital printing has also come, like from the artwork we can put on the machine, and directly we can, without cylinder, we can just print on the foil. So all sorts of solutions are available in the Indian market, and customer can be, our pharmaceutical industry can be very much benefited. The cost differences are there. Now the technology is coming into the picture, and probably all the costly technology over a period of time will become very cheaper for the pharmaceutical companies. Now there are very different markets are being generated all around the world: regulated, non-regulated, domestic, generic. And we as a packaging company trying to have solution for all sorts of the industry as per their needs, and accordingly all the solutions are available. And I believe that India, the way the kind of knowledge, wisdom, the expertise, and the English speaking population we have, India can play a very bigger role into the world market for creating better packaging from the Indian markets. We have challenges while dealing with many countries. Like we often challenge, we are often challenged by the other country players, but because of our good practices and good cost over good control over the cost, we are able to compete all around the world and able to provide very good solutions. Right now it's time to use the best possible technology and more cost-effective solutions to be provided to the pharmaceutical companies. And we have been working in this regard continuously for last 20 years. All the innovations are happening, and every solution is available with us. It's a matter of time that when the pharma companies are willing to experiment for the new packaging materials, we are willing to provide. Probably I believe that the kind of recyclable technology is being talked about, and we have got two products, like one is the blister and the PVC, and there is a strip. Probably I believe that as per the foil is there, and another layer of the foil can come, then this product becomes very recyclable as well as economic, as well as the environment friendly, because we take out the PVC from the product. Probably pharma company has to do all the developmental parts, like this 40 micron heat seal lacquer and the 40 micron heat seal lacquer on the other side. This is a completely recyclable product, and this is very much operational in the Indian market. This gives very good barrier. This is completely recyclable, and probably we are pushing this kind of this kind of solution to the pharmaceutical industry. And now lots of players are using this technology, using this kind of product, and helping to the environment also. As far as I discussed about the three technologies in the printing segment, one is the this gravure printing, where we need to make the cylinders, and it takes some time, like 4-5 days to generate the cylinders. But this is also effective means for the large runs. As far as the smaller and mid-range jobs can be done on the flexo printing machines, which is also giving very superior quality of the printing, as well as it is also using water-based inks. Now the third part, which we are witnessing from the HAPA kind of machines, like digital, where we can give the job to the pharmaceutical industry within same day, within few hours, because here we don't need the cylinders. You can just as we use inkjet printers in our houses, in our offices. Same way we can load the artworks on the machine, and the foil can be printed on these machines. So all sorts of, although their cost is little higher on the digital platform, but lots of pharmaceutical companies who are in rush, or they have to launch the product faster, they have been using this kind of technology, and we have been supporting throughout the pharmaceutical industry along with all the technology and all the support. We have been doing lots of developmental work for the pharmaceutical industry also, right? If they want to convert from 40 micron to 30 micron, we also provide them all the technical help and all the expertise from our end. There has been the time, like all the specifications which is running in the country, it is running for the last 40 years, 50 years. And probably at that very time, the foil was, rollability was a question, and it was very difficult to get the zero pinholes or good shape of the material. So the earlier scientists from the pharmaceutical companies, they generated much safer of thicker gauge materials. But probably because of zero pinhole as of now coming, and I have explained that India is going to get lots of back and back rolling mills, which will make the best aluminum foil in the country, and probably we can do the down gauging, and through the down gauging we can reduce the cost for the product of the backing, and pharmaceutical companies save a lot. We are ready to provide all sorts of the samples, help for all the developmental work, as well as work in accordance with them for all the certifications. So it's a time for the pharmaceutical companies to look forward and see that down gauging is done, and the better quality of the product is also practiced. As I discussed, water-based heat seal lacquer, water-based inks, and the many other things, as well as lots of challenges are there which we are facing. Lots of new technologies are available around us, but we are also exploring the acceptability and the priceability in the Indian pharmaceutical companies all around the world. We have been witnessing lots of challenges all around the world regarding the price, and we have the challenge, like we have to give a right product with the right the barrier properties. Same time, the product should be very affordable for the masses also. So all challenges we are facing, and we are sorting out with the help of the pharmaceutical companies, and we will be supporting all around our friends, colleagues in the industry. This is all around from us as far as these packaging materials are concerned. And I explained regarding the futuristic. Futuristic is born around 20 years back, and we started supplying to A-grade pharmaceutical companies, and we have been supporting the industry in the terms of the quality, as well as the service, as well as the price, as well as the reliability. Here there was a challenge that Indian products, like when we are manufacturing, then because of many hurdles, because of foil availability, the kind of heat seal lacquer, but we have got mastery over the subject, and right now we are providing the products at a very affordable prices to the Indian market, and very fast, like we have thought around the table by supplying the printed materials within 2 days, 3 days, 4 days from our system. And now we want to be the most customer-centric company in the country. And whatever the customer tells us and whatever the customer guides us, we make it viable, and we just try to work on that. And every customer problem I have taken as a big opportunity. And each and every customer issues, if we work out, if we try to understand, then we get lots of solutions for our future business. So the Indian pharmaceutical companies has all sorts of the opportunities to get the very right quality of the product, as well as the affordable prices, and we are willing to do all the R&D work, and everything supported from our side. Once we are supplying materials from Indian market to the other markets, like Bangladesh, or we talk about Nigeria, we talk about Jordan, we talk about USA, we talk about UK and other parts. All these certifications we are working to provide to the pharmaceutical companies, as well as we are also working for the very good logistics from our side, so that it reaches to the customer in the safest and the best mode from our side. So Futuristic as a company is more focused on the global market for the supply of printed aluminum foil, as well as the primary packaging materials, and we are also focused for the international market for the PVC, PVDC, ORS products. And we have been working to provide very cost-effective solutions and we just we try to provide as good as solutions for the pharmaceutical companies, like they can think of. And we are always very helpful for their experimentation, for their sampling, for their all sorts of the work which they expect from a reliable vendor. And we work hands to hands with the pharma company. And as I discussed earlier also, we want to be the most customer-centric company from the country. And pharmaceutical companies can think of and experience that Futuristic is one of their close business partner. And whatever they expect from us, we would like to always exceed their expectations from our work. As far as I'll be talking about our future growth plans, we look forward for another set of the unit which will be having the most advanced machines, and through which we'll be having zero defect printed material coming out from our plant. We also expect to go for the backward integration for the foil rolling mill operations once our volumes goes up. And we look forward for the India's #1 printed foil supplier, close to 1,000 tons per month doing. But all this starts from the good quality work and good services to the pharmaceutical companies. And we are very hopeful because the way we have grown in the last 10 years, those story tells us that, by the focusing on the quality, focusing on the service, and focusing on the relations and being the most reliable, we can achieve our target very, very fast. So all those things are being done, and we believe that India is going to be one of the biggest hub for the world for the primary packaging materials, and the kind of cost operations we can have from our side. Probably this matrix cannot be matched by the others all around the world. That's kind of belief I have, and with that kind of belief, I have been focusing on all around the world market. And our team members are very energetic and to look after our customers' requirements and other things. And we believe that this all possible through the good India story, and through the new technological challenges and the new things coming in the country. So all around, we believe that the packaging will be playing a bigger role in the international market from the India side. And all around, the biggest pharmaceutical companies are also looking at the Indian packaging suppliers because of their quality, because of their services, because of their pricing. And with all the combinations, we can be the winner all around the world. I believe lots of new technologies are going to come for the printing segment. Lots of defect catching instruments are also coming, so that the pharma industry gets zero defect, and all solutions are available and ready, and as well as the pharmaceutical companies are going to demand. We are ready with that kind of solutions, and we'll be providing all these solutions all across the world. By being supplying good quality, Futuristic can be a story for the rest of the most of the Indian packaging companies to go all around the world. We started this work many years back, and we started participating into the international exhibitions, and we found that there is a lot of gap between the pharma companies' expectations and the quality and the prices. Probably we have developed a very good matrix, and our matrix is driven first is the quality. The quality, there is no compromise. Then the second, give the best possible service. And services like this, we have got very hands-on team which works round the clock, and the customer is the king, and customer is the god for us. And whatever customer tells and guides us, we are willing to do that without any question. So because of quality and the service, we find a lot of attraction is there from the customer side. But once again, we need to match the price matrix also and make the product very much affordable for the pharmaceutical industry. And we have mastered this skill also because we have global expertise on the foil procurements and the processing both together. And I have got very good control over the equipments also and their workings. So we are able to get maximum outputs from the equipments. And we buy the very good quality of the product and very attractive prices. And based on all this matrix, we are able to keep the product cost less, and we supply to the pharmaceutical companies, at a very affordable prices. And we Futuristic is very much driven for the volume, very much driven for the quality work for the pharmaceutical industry. And with the help and support of the pharmaceutical companies, we are achieving this day by day, and we look forward for a bigger picture over a period of time. And probably Futuristic should be emerging as one of the biggest and the very challenging player in the Indian industry, as well as we want to keep our footprints in the international markets also very strongly. Thank you very much for all your